How do I pay my premium amount? If you are wondering how to pay your car insurance premium amount, you are in the right place. Let's break down the various ways you can handle this important task. The premium amount is the fee you pay to keep your auto insurance policy active, and it is essential to pay it on time to avoid any interruptions in your coverage. First, many insurance companies offer online payment options. You can log into your account on their website and pay your bill securely using a credit card, debit card, or bank account. This method is quick and allows you to make one-time payments or set up recurring payments. Some insurers even let you pay without logging in by providing basic information like your name and date of birth. Another convenient option is enrolling in automatic payments, often referred to as auto-pay. This allows your premium to be automatically deducted from your bank account or charged to your credit card each billing cycle. This way, you do not have to worry about forgetting to make a payment, which helps keep your policy from lapsing. If you prefer using your smartphone, check if your insurance company has a mobile app. Many insurers provide apps that let you manage your policy and pay premiums directly from your device. These apps often include features like payment scheduling and transaction history, making it easy to stay organized. You can also pay your premium by phone. Simply call your insurance provider's automated system or speak with a customer service representative. They typically accept payments through credit cards, debit cards, or bank account information, giving you flexibility in how you pay. For those who like traditional methods, mailing a check or money order is still an option. Just make sure to send your payment along with your billing statement to the address specified by your insurer. Keep in mind that this method takes longer to process, so send it early to avoid late fees. If you enjoy face-to-face interactions, some insurance companies allow you to pay your premium in person at local agent offices. You can usually pay with cash, check, credit or debit cards, or money orders. Lastly, certain employers offer payroll deduction plans, where your premium is automatically deducted from your paycheck and sent directly to the insurance company. This can be a hassle-free way to manage your payments. No matter which method you choose, always check your payment due date and the accepted payment methods with your insurer. Setting reminders or opting for paperless billing can help you stay on top of your payments. Timely payment of your premium is essential to ensure your coverage remains active and to avoid any penalties or policy cancellations.